Right guys, as promised, I will be starting this Audi. Unfortunately my camera wasn't charged, so I've rigged up jump leads from the T5 to the battery, connecting up positive first, guys, positive first. Alright, so you can do this at home, nice and easy. Jump leads across, left it running for a few minutes. The battery was flat as. So here we go, moment of truth. Oh hey, 5 minutes, there we go, that's how long it's been charging for. Look at that, first turn of the key. Oh yeah. And as you can see, low fuel. I've got the bonnet open, the doors open, trying to get the stench of this absolutely filthy car out. So she is running. Oh, we've got a little ABS as I turn the wheel, guys. That doesn't sound good. So let's get out. Let's have a little look. Oh, the one thing I did notice, so as I rev the car, we've got traction control. Guys, I did look at the engine warning light and it was low boost control. So I haven't even investigated this yet, but she is running, she's alive. All right, it runs, it drives. So there's not a lot left for me to say, apart from the next video I will be investigating further. Sorry for the engine noise, we do have two running. The lovely T5, my usual daily, as you can see, filthy, and this. So battery is charging, it is running. I will be investigating this low boost. Alright, so you guys can see what I'm working with. And I will get the camera on charge for a better quality video. So I do apologise, being filmed on my Samsung, but in all fairness, it's not looking that grotty in the sun. So, next video, we will be investigating that turbo. What is causing low boost?